Okay, let me go with stratigraphy. Here I get into a flag. Okay, into the black. Okay, just have download the image with my local. I use some tool called stratigraphy solve. Stage solve. Okay, let me open this file with this tool. Open the PNG file with stage solver. Okay. Here is the flag. We just easily get the flag with this tool. Yeah, encrypt CTF light 17 app. Okay, encrypt CTF L1 GH7 17 app. Okay, this is a flag. Just paste here, submit. Okay, next one is stress out. Okay, okay, this one. So zip file, just zip. Okay, we got some WAV format file. It's look like an audio file. I use stage hide. Okay, we need a first information, just info. Okay, here you can see they hide some data with this file, embedded data, but we don't know the password because that one is asking the password. I use exif tool. Here title some strings. It's look like password. Maybe we can use this string with this one. Yeah, just enter the password. Okay, we got a flag JPG image. Just extract stage height using extract like -sf. Okay, enter the password. Okay, we got a flag.jpg image. Let me open with this image first. Okay, in down you can see it's blurred encrypt CTF. Let me show you. Here you can see encrypt CTF. Here is the flag. Okay, let me zoom in. There is a flag. Yeah, here is the flag. It's the encrypt CTF TY13RJ0S 3PH underscore IS-4 GOD. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let me go with the challenge. Okay. Let me try with the mic. Hummy baby. It's like some binary. I think, yeah. Okay, it's like a binary. We have to decode, but the problem is we have to decode with 100 times. Humming code decoder. Okay, here is the not working, but 100 times we have to write an automated script, then only we can solve this problem. every time it's generate a new code. Yeah, if we enter the wrong, just stuck with this one. Okay, I have already write the script. Not me, my teammate, someone write the script. I will show you that one also. Okay, 100 times. Okay, let me show you the script first. Okay, here is the script. First I am going to connect with this NC, then I just split this data. First we need a code. This one is Hamming code decoder, not decoder, it's a solver. Then we have to post this our code with the data field. Here is one. Let me run this one. Okay, yeah, but the problem is 100 time. If we solve this code with 100 time, then only. But here you can see 12th I got hanged with this NC. It took some time to solve this Hamming code. Once 100% is successful, then only we can get the flag. Sometimes I got 98, then it's hang. Okay, let me show you this one. See, this time 11th, the NC is I think the NC server is bugged, I think. Try again. It's automatically try again and again. Okay, this time go with 20. Okay, I hope this time we will get. Okay, 35, no problem. 50, we finished 55. Okay, shit. 56, the server is bugged. Maybe I should go with the other challenge. Okay, let me go with the cryptography. Okay, here you can we have to decrypt, but Julius, okay, that other word is used with base64. What is this? Let me check the code first. Just decode with the base64. F&D, yeah, okay. Caesar is cheaper. We have to, I think we have to decode with base64, and also we have to decode with Caesar super. Okay, but we have to add the padding. Padding is some, we have to add some string like equal to equal. Okay, but if I decode with Caesar decoder, I got nothing. This one also we have to write a script. This one also I got help with my team. Here you can see we got nothing with this one. Let me show you the script first. If you want the script, you can get it from GitHub. In my description tab, I will put the URL. Okay, let me show you the script. Where is the script? Okay, this is not one. Where is the file? Yeah, okay, Caesar. Okay, here you can first we just decode with base64. Next We just tried with while loop and for loop. Here is the CSET decoder. Okay, and if we use if we got encrypt CTF, it will stop or else it won't stop. Here in down you can see the flag. Just copy. Okay, paste. It's wrong one, but we already resolved. That's why it's showing we have already resolved. Where is the Julius? Here is the flag. Wait. Okay, let me check WhatsApp and that humming code. Still it's running 60 61. Oh my god, 64, it's bugged. Okay. Okay, let me try with the other challenges. Next one is I use reversing. This crack me 01 is easy. The flag with this in a hex edit file. I will show you that one also. You can use some other IDE tool or different tool, because I'm in Linux, that's why, and 32 bit. I don't have any a tool like IDE. I use hex editor. Okay, there is a lot of strings. Okay, here is the flag. The flag is encrypt CTF GDB or R2. This is the flag. Underscore R underscore R2. Okay, next one I just go with PWN. Okay, this one also easy because it's contain buffer overflow. Let me show you. Okay, first let's see. Okay, here is the file. Just just run with my local. Yes, it's working. But if we enter a lot of string like 100 characters, we will get a segmentation fault error. Okay, just copy. Okay, here you can see a segmentation fault. It's like a buffer overflow. Let me go with the GDP. First, we need to find a offset. I think this is an offset. I think so. Pattern offset. But it's not showing. Okay, let me try with the pattern create with the GDP pattern. It's not working. Create. Okay, just copy this string. run this. Okay, same thing. Okay, this gotta be a different one, I think. Pattern offset. Okay, 80. Our offset is 80. That means 80 character after the 81, we got a segmentation error. Okay, we need a payload. First I just check with the disassemble main. Here you can see print underscore flag. This is our payload. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send that 80 string with this payload. We will get a flag. Print. Okay, 80 string. Okay, then I just add this 8048 at dd840408. Okay, send this to the DNC. Okay, let me check with PWN first. Okay, we got a fault. Where is the command? Just copy. Okay, but it's not working. Maybe I just missed something else. Okay, that is not a problem, but okay, let me try. Okay, here okay, I didn't add the X one, that's why. Just add X, 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 X. Yeah, we get a flag. Okay, done. I think I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.